Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get a Japanese display name on Roblox in 2024. Let's get started. Alright, as you can see, we're on Roblox right now. My display name is already in Japanese, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, head over to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner for the gear icon. Click on it and then choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, there's a common misconception that you need to change your account location to Japan to use a Japanese display name, but that's not true. You can set your name in Japanese without changing location. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Google Translate. Once there, you'll be using this tool to translate your desired display name into Japanese. In Google Translate, set the first language to English and the second language to Japanese. Type the name you want in the English box, and it will be translated to Japanese in the box on the right. For example, if you type ClickFix Tech, you'll get your translated name in Japanese. Copy this Japanese version of your name, then go back to your Roblox settings. Under Account Info, you'll see a pencil icon next to your display name. Click on it and paste your Japanese name into the box. Remember, your display name must be entirely in Japanese, as Roblox doesn't allow mixing Japanese and English characters. If you've already changed your display name in the past 7 days, you might need to wait before saving changes again. But once you're ready, hit save, and you're all done. And now you can see my display name has changed. That's how you transform your display name into Japanese on Roblox. If this tutorial was helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.